What if you could turn just 2 hours a week into a $500 side income? Today, I will show you how to do it by combining one simple offline hustle with an online flip. Step 1. Start local. Look around your neighborhood, Facebook Marketplace, or Nextdoor. Offer to pick up old electronics, furniture, or collectibles people want to get rid of. Say something like, "I'll remove your old items for free or cheap." You're solving their problem while collecting valuable stuff you can resell. Step 2. Clean, test, and fix what you collect. Make them look good and functional. Spend about 2 hours a week doing this. It costs almost nothing to start, just your time and effort. Step 3. Go online. Take clear photos, write short descriptions, and list your items on eBay OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace. If you prefer digital, create a simple video showing how you restored or flipped your first item and sell that guide or video course for a small fee. Step 4. Scale up. Once you've done a few sales, use the profit to buy higher value items or tools. The goal is to repeat weekly, offline pickup, quick cleanup, online listing. Step 5. Track results. If you flip just two $70 items a week and one small digital sale, that's about $210 per week. Nearly $800 a month, from 3 hours of work. Avoid overbuying before you sell. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning what sells best in your area. This method works because it combines the reliability of local demand with the global reach of online selling. You're not waiting for luck. You're recreating steady cash flow from what's already around you. Try this system for 1 week and comment your first flip below. Don't forget to subscribe for more real side hustles that actually work.